Morning, folks. Many of you know that the moon transited the sun as seen from the SDO spacecraft. I know it looks like the moon is changing directions, but what you're actually seeing is caused by the fact that the moon and the SDO craft are moving in different directions with respect to the Earth, and all three are moving in different directions with respect to the sun. We told you yesterday about quakes on the moon. Well, how about quakes on Mars? Put this link below, and we can't help but wonder if this is happening anywhere else in the solar system and perhaps what it means for Earth. A UN watchdog agency that really just wanted to see this one military facility in Iran was not allowed access to it, and this is a step in the wrong direction. We're also going to put this link below. It's mostly about China, mostly has to do with what you can expect in a global economic paradigm if shit does not hit the fan, but just in case, you might want to read it. Here's a pretty good look at some of the earthquakes we've had over the last 24 hours. We had two fairly large ones in the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. We had a 5.3 in the Bering Strait and a slightly smaller earthquake near the border of Canada and Alaska there. The earthquake swarm in the Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico region is still strong. Coming over here and looking at the magnetometers, you can see a disturbance beginning to build, just very recently, only in the last few hours. We come and we look at the solar wind telemetry from ACE. You can see that one coronal hole stream died down, but solar wind speed and the solar wind density, the orange right above it, is spiking here very recently. That's because a few days ago we did have two coronal holes turn into an Earth-facing position, and in fact, the density spike might be from the little eruption you see coming from in between the two holes right there. But there were two coronal holes, and we're now seeing the second one. In a few days, we are going to have to deal with the solar wind stream from this coronal hole right here, and as you can see, we do have magnetic filaments pretty much all around the sun. There's one right there. There's also one up on the northeastern limb, which would be the top left as you look at it. So we got another coronal hole stream buffeting the Earth's magnetosphere, folks. We'll keep an eye on all of this over the next 24 hours. Be safe, everyone.